Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put the one that we just ironed on top. We want right sides facing with the batting on the bottom. Now yours will probably line up a little neater. Like I said, my satin's just a little small, but I don't mind giving up a little bit of the blanket to be able to use satin. So you want to lay it out good first and pin through all 3 layers. And I always do the corners first. And I'm not usually one on using a lot of pins, but this is one job where it pays off. It's worth it to have a lot of pins in it because it will shift around a lot, especially with the batting on the back. And it goes, actually, this is cut a little crooked right here, so it's going to come up over the edge. I'll cut that excess off. That's how it should line up there. And then you just go ahead and keep putting pins all the way through.